Here we have the inner tape. This is the PaperSpace X-fill machine. Now this is a mechanical system. It's non-powered, so it's a tabletop mount. Obviously you can see it has a bracket at the bottom, and it's got two clamps so you can mount it to any kind of a table, any type of a workbench. And then you have the inner folded paper. Now nicely fan folded. We've got a tray at the back, holds one bundle. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to fold the paper, and we're going to feed it in between the handle and then down into the chute. Now the chute has two mechanically driven, gears, and we're just going to feed the paper down in there. So pretty straightforward. Down in here, twist, and out the bottom, and it's ready to go. So again, this is the PaperSpace X-fill. This is a machine designed primarily for void fill, just filling up a box, quickly taking the void out, kind of moving away from the air pillows. All right. So here's how this works. At the end of the chute, it's got some teeth on the top and teeth on the bottom, similar to what you would have on a tape dispenser, and that they're not as sharp as a tape dispenser. It allows you to cut the paper manually. So just pull the paper, desired length, you can cut at the top here. Another. You can cut at the bottom. This is a great system if you're just using a couple of bundles a month and you want to use it instead of air pillows or foam or those packing peanuts. To be honest, they're generally annoying when people get those packing peanuts. And I like the paper over the air pillows, because the problem with air pillows, once you pack a box and you stack it, and if it's sitting around for any length of time, it's going to lose the air out of the pillows. And then your product is going to be flapping around inside the box. What I like about the paper is that once you push it in, you compress it down, it's going to keep the product in place, it's not going to move around, and it doesn't matter how long it's inside the case. And at the end of the day, once your customer gets this on the other end, they open up, it's easy to recycle paper. You just throw it out with any other newspapers or printed materials or corrugated that you have at your house or at your business. It's simple enough. More difficult when you start getting foam and peanuts and air pillows in there. Realistically, recycling air pillows, that's a tough one. So again, it's the IPG, it's the PaperSpace, this is the X-fill unit, mechanical, and again, it's a tabletop, it just bolts to any tabletop. You can adjust it, turn it, face it whichever way you need, and it's a very simple design, and it's very easy to get into dispensing paper.